So the KLX is ready to be picked up. Alright, hey everybody, welcome to another video. Today we are on the FZ-09 again, but we have a KLX update. Of course, by now, by the title and thumbnail, you guys already know what the KLX update is. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the KLX is ready to be picked up. The shop got the injector today, Tuesday, as I'm filming this, and they already got it remapped, installed, of course. So they called me and said, yeah, the bike is ready to be picked up. They gave me a few pieces of information, but you guys are gonna have to wait until the dyno results video to get all that, because there's a lot of it. A lot of analysis into the runs, of course the power and the torque that the KLX made. But yeah, they told me the KLX is ready to be picked up. It rips, runs real smoothly with the power commander. A lot of the hiccups were taken away with that new beat insert injector. So man, I can tell you guys that I am pretty excited to pick up the KLX. Finally be able to rip on the thumper bike again. So with that being said, everybody, get excited. The KLX is finally done, and we're gonna get to rip on it. Got a bunch of video ideas, of course, but I am just excited to have this KLX back and resume the hooliganery. Very impressed with the customer service and work done by Two Wheel Dyno Works up there, as you guys saw. And if you've been following along, I called them last Tuesday. They said, yeah, we should be able to squeeze you in here in the schedule. Took it up there Wednesday. They called me on Friday, said that they had it done, but of course the injector was not big enough. So then it was Friday that I ordered that new injector. Got it overnighted to them, got there today. They got it installed and remapped. All of that in between them, of course, preparing bikes for AMRA racing this holiday weekend. So yeah, I'd say that their service is definitely good and certainly better than the original shop we had it at. Why do so many people like to run stop signs? The moment that we have all been waiting for is finally here. Finally get to see how the KLX responds to the ported head and the bored throttle body. Can't believe it's been almost a month and a half without the KLX. Didn't think it would take that long, but wanted to make sure that we did things right. Got everything that we needed to, the injector and the bored throttle body. Might as well do that while we have it apart. So yeah, get excited everybody. For real this time, we are going to be ripping on the KLX soon enough, and the KLX videos will be back. Well, I have not heard a pop that loud from the FZ-09 before. We got some nice backfires going. Okay, we got too much traffic going on here. While we're waiting here, why don't we play a little game? Let's go ahead and see if you guys can guess power numbers for the KLX. Guess top speed. Hey, maybe even 0 to 60 acceleration. Go ahead and leave a comment down below. What else can we guess? Ooh, R8. Maybe, do you think we can keep up with some sport bikes in the twisties? I think that's more rider than power, but hey, why not? Oh, whoa, he's putting his top down. Cool. Alright, let's rip. When I took this exit right here on the KLX. Fun times. Making your own exits on a dual sport. Man, police are out everywhere today. Alright guys, well that is going to be it for today's video. Again, short little update, but I don't want to leave you guys hanging without a video. And I figured you guys would be excited to know that the KLX is done and ready to be picked up. So we will be ripping on it shortly. So again, get excited everybody. It is going to be a world of fun. But as always, if you enjoyed the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Also, share it to your friends and those who may enjoy it. And of course, if you're not subscribed, go down there, hit that subscribe button, get the bell on to keep up with the latest and greatest on the KLX, the FZ-09, and the Corvette. But with all that being said, join the club. And I'll see you in the next one. Here it is. Oh yeah, the KLX is back.